Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online language lessons. The other day I was chatting to one of my oldest Russian friends and we got talking about Putin and how Putin had been allowed to become the mass murdering dictatorial sociopath that he so clearly has become these days. And my friend pointed out, quite rightly I think, that the West holds some responsibility for this. Because while the Putin regime was busy poisoning and arresting and locking up opposition leaders and journalists inside Russia, the West looked the other way. When Russia basically invaded Chechnya and decided to bomb Grozny back to the Stone Age, the West again turned a blind eye. And when Russia invaded Georgia in 2008, and then illegally annexed Crimea and invaded Donbass in 2014, many countries in the West just carried on as usual, made business deals and pretended that nothing was going on. And so, as a result, Putin has basically been allowed for too long to act with complete impunity. If somebody acts with impunity, they basically act in a way that shows they're free from any fear or any risk of being punished for wrongdoing. So you sometimes hear, for example, about security forces that seem to be able to abuse human rights with impunity. Or criminal gangs that terrorise whole areas of a city with apparent impunity. And here in the UK, we've seen Prince Andrew, a senior member of the royal family, who's clearly above the law, act with total impunity when it comes to his business dealings, his sexual affairs, and so on. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button, share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use impunity.